Okay, I got a 2011 Chevy Avalanche, and what's going on with it is that especially when it gets cold, it starts developing this like belt noise. You know what I'm saying? So I got some parts. I'm gonna try to fix that sound, see if it helps or whatever. But yeah, let me start it up so y'all can hear what it sounds like. So yeah, this is the sound right here. It doesn't affect the way the car drives at all. It doesn't even create a check engine light, but it's just very annoying. So I gotta get rid of that sound. Alright, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Alright, so I got the 15. I'm gonna put it on the tensioner pulley over here that you're looking at right here. So that way I can loosen up the belt. I don't know how I'm gonna do it while I'm holding the phone, but I don't know. Let me see. Get that joint on there. As you can see, well, if you can't see, let me fix that blur. See, it's moving. Alright, so this is definitely a two-hand job, so just give me a second. I'm gonna get that belt off real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I got the belt off of the alternator is loose, and so I'm just continue to take it off. Right here, actually. Let me get it off the pulley, and yeah, good thing to do is definitely take a picture of how the belt was routed to the engine before you take it off. Or worst case scenario, you can just go to Google and search out the diagram for how the belt is routed. So yeah, so I'm getting this off. This is old belt. Throw this on the ground right quick. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to take this off. The whole watch my fingers. The whole tension of the pulley look like it's gonna take two bolts, one here and I guess the other one is right there. That looks like 15s, which I have right here. I'm assuming it's a 15. Looks like a 15. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do all this work with one hand and or whatever. Let me see, son. Excuse me if the video's turning upside down or whatever. I'm not even sure which orientation I got the camera in, but let me see. Try to get this on there real quick. Alright, that's a 15. Probably need an extension for so I can get some more movement. Oh, you know what? My crazy ass is tightening it up. Actually, I forgot to whatchamacallit, reverse it. Yeah, I'm hitting metal and everything. It's not a lot of space. I probably should put an extension on this thing so I can get some more movement. Just making some more turns. Yeah, that's it. That one right there. I'm gonna get that real quick. Alright, so I want to retrieve that. But I also got my power tool, so make things happen a little faster. And I got the extension on it this time. So get that off of there real quick. Alright. So you usually want to start it out with the wrench and then continue taking it off with the power tool. So let me change the socket real quick. Alright, so I got the wrench on the second socket with the extension, and I'm gonna start turning it. Now it's pretty easy actually. Alright, so I'm gonna swap the socket out onto my electric ratchet just for convenience. Then we're gonna keep it turning. Alright, let's see what that is. All right, just like that, she's out. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna swap this out right here, along with the belt. This is a really easy job, man. Especially working on an avalanche. You got a lot of space to work, as you can see. I mean, alternators on top and everything. All right, so let me go get the other part. All right, so we definitely want to match them up. Got the old part next to the new part, and looks the same to me. So let's get this one on then. All right, let's see what's up. Yeah, I just pretty much try to place the phone somewhere where it can catch most of what's going on, because like I said, this is like a two-hand thing for real. For sure. All right. Should be like this. And I'm just checking something. All right. So I'm gonna start it with my hand. You definitely want to start the threads with your hand. You don't want to, mess the thread up with a power tool. Yeah. Got stuff falling everywhere. I would have gloves on both hands, but the touchscreen is not compatible with this glove I'd be wearing. All right. All right, after that, you definitely want to take the wrench and torque it down. You can look it up for the specific torque, but I just kind of go with it, you know what I mean? Bring out the torque wrench and all that. Let me get the bottom first. Alright, that feels good. Seems like a solid on there. Alright, yeah, so I did take a picture of how the belt was routed. I might have to pause the video and access that picture right quick. Let me see if I can kind of wing it though. If I could kind of wing it real quick. So I'll start off the alternator, and Yeah, because, you know, there's only so much variations that this belt can go. So, worst case scenario, given a little bit of time, I had this figured out, you know. As long as the belt is right, too. Assuming they didn't send me the wrong belt, because that has happened before. Let me see. Yeah. You know, another way to check is to match it with my old belt, too. They're the same length or whatever, then you know it's good. Let's see. So here. All right, so let me pull up that picture real quick. Yeah, so I went and got the picture, and I put the belt on with the right way. So yeah, I just want to make sure everything's in the grooves and nothing's out of line before you start it up. And that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. It's definitely a job you can do at home. You know what I mean? Alright. So yeah, just like that, the sound went away. No more squeaking or nothing. Chirping, whatever it was doing. It's quiet now.